Today, let's talk about no excuses in sales in Japan. I want to be able to sell a lot more except for all the external factors over which I have no control. Actually, you have never heard this line of argument before from a salesperson. This is because this statement is an honest appraisal of what they see as the problem, but they don't express it that way. Instead, they bitch about the boss, the market, industry changes, currency movements, the sales materials, the pricing, and everything else but their pathetic sales ability. Are they accessing all the good information available to become better? No. But salespeople have more than enough resources to self-educate themselves about the finer points of sales. Here is how complicated this is. Learn how to ask the client questions about what they need. Listen carefully to the answers. Tell them you either have a relevant solution or that you don't. If you do, provide explanations that justify the trade-off between the value you bring and the price you charge. Supply it and follow up.